What are you doing?
Guess what I'm imitating?
Robot.
Close, but not exactly.
Huh?
Today, we are not talking about robots, but about their distant cousins, a battle of axes. 3 axes versus 5 axes. In CNC machines, axes control how tools and parts move. Basically, how much freedom your machine has. Some of you might ask, why does the number of axes even matter? Well, here's the thing. The number of axes decides whether your machine can flip over or not. A 3-axis machine is like a robot that can move forward, backward, left, right, up, and down, but no flips, no rotations. So when should you choose a 3-axis? Here's why it still works. Great for simple flat parts, holes, and 2D profiles. Cheaper, easier to operate. Perfect for small shops or basic 2D or 2.5D jobs. It's like hiring a reliable but stiff assistant. Now, 5-axis. Oh, it's a robot that CNC flip, twist, and spin. And here's where the 5-axis really shines. It's cut from any angle, makes complex shapes. Think airplane blades, medical air-in blades, molds, fewer setups, no flipping parts by hand, better precision and efficiency. Hey bro, 3-axis and 5-axis, which do you prefer?
5-axis. This is portable.
Turns out, even the profession love 5-axis. But power comes with a price tag. A 5-axis machine starts at over $200,000 and needs skilled programming and operators. 3-axis uses basic programming, 5-axis advanced formulas. Starting on 5-axis straight away, like jumping into a motorcycle race after just learning to ride a bike. So which one should you choose? Simple, flat parts, limited budget, choosing 3-axis, complex shapes, multi-angle holes, deep cavities, don't wanna flip parts manually, go 5-axis. A 5-axis do everything a 3-axis can, but a 3-axis can't do everything a 5-axis can. Don't chase specs blindly, choose what fits your needs best. I'm Kaya, and at TiRapid, we are not just machining parts, we are solving your engineering challenges. We offer free design support, free code, and tailored help for your project. That's our Axis talk for today. See you next time. Bye!